Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have a mini lock for Mini Lock Monday to show off. So this is a tiny little guy, so even if I zoom in really well, it's still pretty tiny. But I think this is probably one of the smallest locks I have. Compared this to a Master Lock number 3. Pretty tiny. And this is a Master Lock number 9. And it is, gosh, like 18 millimeters across. Oh yeah, very, very tiny. And if you notice, oops, this is here's the keys for it, and it is a little warded lock. It even does say master on the keys, so let's take a look at that. Let's get a really good shot of that. Oh, it's so small I can't see. Doesn't want to focus, does it? Anyway, does work. I think that's locked. Yeah, that's locked. So obviously the only thing that this really needs to open it up is just this little where'd it go? I had it. There it is. Just a little short hook right into the right spot. And there it is. That's all it took to open. So there we go for this thing. Little Mini Lock Monday. And this is our little Master Lock number 9. So small I can't even get too close to the camera. I can't see it. So there we go. This is Master Lock number 9. So there we go. Another Master Lock picked open. Anyway. Well, that's all I have for you today. Really quick one. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and you're subscribed, and leave some comments down below, and have a wonderful day.